If you're planning an international move by sea, you've probably heard of the Federal Maritime Commission, or FMC. But what exactly do they do, and why does it matter to you as a customer? Let's break it down. The Federal Maritime Commission is a United States government agency that regulates ocean transportation between the United States and other countries. Their main job is to make sure shipping companies, ocean freight forwarders, and non-vessel operating common carriers, or NVOCCs, operate fairly, transparently, and within the law. The FMC protects consumers by making sure international movers and shipping companies follow strict licensing and financial responsibility requirements. This helps prevent fraud and ensures your belongings are handled by legitimate, qualified professionals. They also monitor rates, contracts, and agreements between shipping lines to promote healthy competition and prevent unfair pricing. If something goes wrong with your international shipment, like delays, overcharges, or damaged goods, the FMC can step in to investigate complaints and enforce penalties when necessary. Before hiring a company for an overseas move, always check that they're licensed and bonded with the FMC. You can verify this easily through the FMC's official website. Working with a licensed provider gives you peace of mind knowing your move is protected by federal oversight. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and you can also email us at contactus@movers.com or call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.